This is easy.
Nothing to it.
Oh, no. I love campfires.
I love s'mores even more.
Ah,
Having trouble starting your fire?
you can use ours, Mr. Tom.
Thanks for tucking us in.
Can you sing to us?
Can I have a glass of water?
What is it, Mr. Tom? That's Jerry.
Uncle Jerry! We had such fun. Tom taught us how to save someone from drowning.
Hey, I'm just on Dodgers. Next to you, he was the best troop leader.
Hey, Uncle Jerry, when can we go camping again?
And you're coming too, right, Mr. Tom?